Play Sweet Caroline.
Here's Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond.
Where it began.
Of course, you can use the volume switch on the steering control as well. Shuffle music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
So, as I say, you don't have to touch the controls, but you've got all the rest of your stuff on here. If you click the boxes at the bottom there, you'll see you can go back to the Skoda system just by clicking that. You've got, here I've got audiobooks. Click on audiobooks, just listening to Bitcoin Widow, which is absolutely unbelievable, true story. Your Amazon Music, Spotify. You can also use WhatsApp, Google Maps, your calendar. No events today, so you know, I mean, it's just, and also you can even set the Apple CarPlay to remind you of stuff when you get in the car, for instance, or when you get home. It'll give you a message, you know, get milk and eggs or call somewhere on your way home. It's a fantastic system, and this little Skoda has got it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.